So if you did watch my last banga video, this is the continuation. Today is Monday and I just got off work and I'm thinking about my banga soup, so I need to eat my poundo. So I'm like, sharp, let me warm it. After this, I'm going to be baking a cake for my kids, especially Izzy. He has been disturbing me. He wants cake, and I'm like, we'll bake, because I don't want to buy from the store. It's not like I can buy though, but... And then if you guys can hear this, Ariel has been telling me good job all day. I don't know, she just learned that, or she just learned how to say that. So she has been saying it all day.
Ariel, put it down. Put it down, mommy. Be a good girl and put it down. Yeah.
I want to help you, mommy.
Okay.
Did you guys hear that? Izzy said, I want to help you, mommy. Helping is good. So he's a very busy kid. Since he stays busy, I like to keep him engaged if he wants to help, as long as he's not operating any appliance. Ariel has been saying good job all day, guys.
No, I want to
So you guys just stay tuned and enjoy this video with me, okay? So guys, here I'm blending some tiger nuts. We call this Kunu aya in the north. Every other person will call it tiger nut drink. So I'm done blending, and this is what it looks like, blended with some coconuts, ginger and cloves. See how refreshing this looks. I want to have a taste test, and the one in the pink bottle, or in the transparent bottle with the pink cover, I'll be taking that tomorrow afternoon. So I just put some in there for myself.
As you come with the food, go and give your nana.
Me a cake.
So my coconut oil is here. I would have done that before making the cake, but I didn't have coconut oil, so my brother went and get it for me. So it says to melt, I think 2.5 spoons or 2 spoons of coconut oil, forgotten. So I'm going ahead to just put this in the plate and put it in the microwave before using it. And we're gonna go ahead and bake the cake. You guys can see how excited Izzy is. He can't wait, guys. I really like engaging him if he wants to be engaged for real, because you never know, guys. You never know which one. You never know. And by the way, I have never tried this cake before that I'm aware of, keto cake. So I'm wondering how this is gonna taste, huh? To be honest with you, I don't know.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red light.
You don't know how excited he was to crack the egg. You see, there was some shells in it, so I'm having to take out the shells, but I still let him do it. I didn't discourage him. I still let him crack it. Let him just crack it. Let him do it. He wants to do it. He wants to do it. Like, let him do it.
Whoa.
Did you guys hear that? Whoa! He was so happy.
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you.
Always do it, mommy.
Wait.
Mommy. Ooh. Oh, yo. Wow. Sure is fun. Gonna make it.
Put this in the trash since you are trying to help me.
Can't afford memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more.
like a chef.
I was trying to do something. They said
Did you guys hear that? He said, "Mommy, I look like a chef." He actually does have an apron, but I don't know where the apron is. I should have just gonna bring it for him to use. But I just thought you guys should notice that part as well.
Where I wanna visit, are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They want.
So I'm having my own orange for the day because I ate poundo this night after work, so I just need to have some vitamin C or something to help digest my food, to be honest with you guys. So right here, the cake is ready. We're just gonna let it sit and cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead with this keto icing. Once it's cold, if it's not cold, it'll just melt it away, so we had to wait for it to be cold. And guys, trust me, I am not good at icing or doing any of this stuff. It's not my calling, so I just try to help easy, put it on top, and that's the best I can do. Honestly, it's not my calling. I am not good at it, so you guys should manage it. Manage Easy's cake and rate his cake for him in the comment section. You guys don't even know what he was telling me when I was doing this. He kept saying, "Mommy, it's not beautiful. Do it, let it be beautiful." When I was done, he said, "Mommy, can we have some sprinkles?" So here we do have the sprinkles, so I had to let him have his sprinkles.
Be like by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights.
Yeah, sprinkle. All of the sprinkles together to this. Oh, it's a sprinkle.
Don't buy everything, just you.
I want green. I want green, mommy. I want green. Where's my color?
Don't put everything, just you.
That's a pink.
What color do you want?
Pink. Ooh, pink.
Thank you. Don't put it too much.
Ooh, that's a cake. Then put some white, mommy.
Let's see the colors that we have.
White. Oh, orange. You know orange and blue is so whippy.
Don't put it too close now.
Blue.
Sorry, don't put everything.
My cake is beautiful. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye. See you. I'm gonna do the next video. Bye. Next video is gonna see. Do you wanna see the next video with me baking this cake and other with sprinkles on it and this plate on it? Then you're gonna see this later and see this one later and see this one later. Bye.
Won't you cut the cake and eat for everybody to see?
Yeah.
Let's get a knife.
A knife.
Yeah.
The windy. I want to cut it.
Okay. So you're gonna do a test.
And say color
Yeah, go get
pink.
your plate. Where's your plate? So yummy.
Yummy.
Say everybody bye.
Bye.